Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to look at designing and 3D printing a set of mud flaps for my Seat Leon Cupra. I bought a pair of mud flaps from Temu, cut it to size, it looked terrible, which is why I went the route of making my own. So here you see me designing the mud flaps from a template I took from the car. I then proceeded to 3D print them out of PETG filament. Surprisingly, it printed in one go, and then before work I had to try it out. It seemed like it fitted pretty well. Now it's time to install it permanently. Off camera I spray painted the mud flaps with a rubber lining spray paint to prevent rock chips and improve durability. Here you see me removing the wheel caps and the wheel for easier access wheel arch lining. I have marked spots to pre-drill to make it easier to mount the mud flaps. While I was in there, I took the opportunity to clean the calipers because it desperately needed a clean. After that, I put back the wheel and repeated the operation on the opposite side. When I jack up my cars, I always try to be as safe as possible, which isn't shown in the video. However, I always try to double jack the car with another scissors jack. I always try to place the rim underneath the car in case of a collapsed jack. In this case, I used another scissors jack. If I had to do this in the future again, I would probably increase the width of the mud flaps to accommodate for my thicker tires. As you can see, it doesn't completely cover the entire width of the tire, which I'd prefer. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching, guys.